Looking for a BI tool that gives insight without the complexity? That's where Qlik comes in. In 2025, Qlik helps businesses analyze data, build interactive dashboards, and uncover trends with associative analytics. You can connect multiple data sources, explore relationships, and get actionable insights faster than traditional reporting tools. The real strength is flexibility. Qlik adapts to complex data sets, supports self-service analytics, and lets teams make data-driven decisions across departments. While Power BI is popular, Qlik remains a strong alternative for businesses that need deeper analysis and customization. So, if you want a BI tool that's powerful, adaptable, and still relevant, Qlik deserves a look. Like the video, subscribe, and comment what tool you want review next.